Oh my gosh, I've been up since like 5 a.m. I'm working on a YouTube video to get up today, but it's gonna be a great day.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. But today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me for my day. It is a day in my life vlog. This is part of my fall vlog series, which is super fun. I have a whole summer vlog series as well if you guys like watching people's vlogs. But I'm super excited because I am just about to go do a photo shoot. It is around 8:30 right now. I've been up since 5 a.m. I edited today's YouTube video. It's Sunday, so I have to get that up when I get home and everything, but then I just got ready and I am gonna go do a photo shoot real quick. It is so cold outside. I'm not mentally prepared for this because my outfit, I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of it because you're gonna have to watch the lookbook, but it's super cute. Let me go show you. I'm gonna put like a jacket slash blazer on top of it, and then this really fun like printed skirt that I got from Shein, and then my favorite little loafers and everything. But I think it's like 40 degrees outside, maybe colder than that, and I'm wearing a skirt and like a very little jacket on top of this, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me today, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, but I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me for the rest of the day. One outfit down. It is so cold out. It's like under 40 degrees right now, but we decided we're gonna stop and get breakfast at McDonald's, which is so out of the ordinary for me, but you know, I'm super excited because they have the best pancakes. So in the comments, let me know what your like McDonald's breakfast order is because I would love to know. I always get the pancakes. They're so yummy. I'm so excited. We picked up some for my brothers when they wake up, but they're sleeping. And then I just got pancakes. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't remember the last time I had McDonald's breakfast. These look so good. I'm so excited to eat these, and I got some syrup. Yum. Guys, I am in my second outfit for the photo shoot. I have these super cute earrings on. They're so adorable, but oh my gosh, that breakfast was so good. It's probably the best idea today so far. But we are just on to our second location for our next picture, and I'm super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. It is so cold. I'm freezing, and I just have a little turtleneck on. Okay, so I am back from the photo shoot. It was seriously so cold out, but the pictures turned out super cute, so I'm so excited to share them with you guys. I'm gonna edit them right now. I'm gonna try and upload my video as well, but oh my gosh, it was so cold. I'm like still freezing. I'm trying to warm up, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update. So I'm gonna be at my desk right now and I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay, I finally finished editing. It took forever, but it was so worth it because I got it uploaded. I got a new Instagram picture up as well, and it's currently 2:10. So I'm doing pretty well on time. I've been up since 5. I'm getting a little tired, but I have to show you guys what I have to do because it's a really big mess, and yeah. So this morning I did a photo shoot, and since it's fall now, the clothes are just like bulkier and bigger and they take up more space, so I had 3 different bags, like piles of clothes to bring, and it filled up the trunk of the car and everything, and now they're just a hot mess because I'm the worst and I don't fold my clothes. I'm just, yeah, that's me. So I have to put all these clothes away, refold them, see if they need to be cleaned or not. That is the current situation. So I'm going to do this really quick, and then we are going to do like a little unboxing because I got some stuff in the mail this week, which I'm super excited about, but I need to put this away because it's going to drive me crazy, and I think my neighbor is cutting the grass, so you might be able to hear that right now, but I am still so cold, you guys. Like, our house is nice and toasty and stuff, and my brother is like, Kelly, why are you wearing a wool vest? I told him it was just fashionable, but I really am super cold, but hopefully all this cleaning will warm me up. Do you guys put on Netflix like while you clean your room too? I
I've been watching the Carrie Diaries. I know it's like my 3rd time watching it, but I just put it on while I like clean or like do something. Like if it's just in the background, I have it on and I really like it. So I got you guys all situated. I got like my room cleaned up. I put all my clothes away. It took forever, but it's done and I'm very happy they're all like put away nice and neat. My room's pretty clean and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far or whenever you're watching this. But I wanted to do a mini little haul because I got a few things in the mail this week and I love sharing what I get in the mail and doing like little hauls in these vlogs. I think it's so much fun. So I recently got a little package from Lily and Laura. I won one of their contests off their Instagram for like a photo challenge. So on Instagram I shared a picture of me wearing their Lily and Laura bracelet with bracelets that I already had, and they reposted it and said that I won 7 different bracelets and I got to pick them out, which was super exciting, and lots of other people won too. You guys definitely need to follow them on Instagram. It's just at Lily and Laura. But I got to pick out 7 bracelets and I kind of picked out some really fun yellowy ones. So I got this really bold yellow one, which I'm so excited. This is just so happy to me, and I had so many pink ones already that I'm like, I need a new color. And then I also picked up this yellow one, which is so pretty because it has little hints of white in it as well, and like gold, and I just thought this would be fun. And then I also got this white and gold one, and I just feel like the 3 of these just look so cute together as like a little stack of arm candy. And these are my favorite bracelets for making stacks on your arm candy. I'm even wearing one right now. This is actually my first one that I have, is what I'm wearing right now. And then I picked out 2 more white ones. I just got the all white one and then a white with little silver sparkles in them. These bracelets are just so beautiful, and I think they're handmade as well. And then I picked out this really simple mauve pink one, and I just love it. It adds to my little pink stack. And then the last one I picked out was this light blue. It's kind of like a denim blue. I just thought this would be pretty for winter, but also to mix in. Like, it looks good with the whites, it looks good with the pink. I just am so excited. So thank you so much, Lily and Laura, for sending this to me. Again, it is listed down below if you guys want to check out their website. And I wanted to mention why I'm sharing you guys all this stuff. My fingernails, I painted them yesterday morning. So I painted them this really fun, like, neutrally pink tan color, and this is called Cashmere by Live, Love, and Polish. And then I just put on their Wedding of the Century on top of it for the sparkles, and this is actually one of their Crazy Rich Asian the movie like nail polish designs, and I just think it's a really fun combination. I love the sparkles. It's so fun, but like very subtle because it's such a neutral color, and I just feel like it's perfect for fall. But then I also got a package in the mail from Shein, and guys, this thing is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. So I got this white t-shirt, and this just says "Be Nice" with a little bumblebee on it, and it's just a simple white t-shirt, and I thought this would be cute for lounging around or just like a fun graphic tee. I feel like these are so trendy. And then I wore this earlier on my photo shoot. You guys might have seen it, and it is this really pretty plaid skirt. It's so flattering on. Honestly, it looks so much more expensive than it really is. I will have all of these items listed down below if you guys want to check it out. But it just has a little zipper in the back. There's no pockets or anything, but I love it, and it does have a lining in it as well, so that's really nice. It just lays so nicely, and I feel like it's so flattering. And the last thing I picked up was a pair of black skinny jeans, and they just have a little bit of tears up the side. I don't know if I'll wear these. They're a little outside of my comfort zone, but I saw them on the website and they were like in the recommended for you, and I was like, okay, I'll try them out. But thank you, Shein, for sending those to me. Again, they will be listed down below. But that is my little haul of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I just have a few videos I need to film for this week. I've been uploading a lot more, if you guys have noticed that. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos, but that is the game plan at the moment. But if anything else happens, I'll be sure to update you guys as well. But it's a pretty chill day. I just had a lot of stuff to get done. Like, I still have to get a few packages ready, and someone did buy a painting last night, which is super exciting. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I recently started selling these paintings on my Etsy, and they have your name custom printed in the middle, and I love them because I have one in my room with my name on it. I just thought they were really fun. They're on my Etsy shop, which is always listed down below again, but they're just so cute. So someone bought one, and I have to get that all shipped out and ready to go, which is super exciting. But that's like the kind of stuff I'm going to be doing right now, and I'll update you guys in a little bit. It's been a hot minute, but a few of my friends and I were texting, and we're going to go see that movie, A Star is Born. I've heard nothing but great reviews about this movie. I'm super excited to go see it. It's currently like 6 o'clock, so I have to get going, but I want to show you guys my outfit before I leave because I'm going to be ending the vlog here. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit in my big ootd mirror. So I just have on this super cute fuzzy vest from Southern Shirt Company, one of their flannels as well. My favorite Abercrombie & Finch jeans. They're just high-rise dark wash, and then these cute little ankle boots that are from Nordstrom. I have a bunch of arm candy on, you guys. I'm obsessed with it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!